Star, woo, carry moonbeam. Welcome back to 3 Minute Thursday. Today I'm going to be teaching you this. Oh yes. Oh, this is a nice contact move that you can use behind the bar in competitions, whatever you want. And here's how it's done. The trick here in being able to do this grab, get a bit of moisture on your fingers from your ice well and just rub it on your arm there. Just a little bit of moisture, not too much because it becomes slippery again. You're gonna grab hold of your two shakers, keep them separated like this. All right, make sure they're separate. And the bottle in tennis grab, palms away, thumbs down, tennis grab. You're gonna come underneath the shakers like this, underneath and grab in your arm. As you grab, you swing the ball over in front of your face, around onto the other side of your head like this. So you have a shaker over here, grab between my wrist and my top of my arm. Then I'm gonna drop that in there like so. As I drop, I then bring it across and I drop that one on top of there. That's most of the work done now. Then we're gonna take the bottom shaker off of the bottle. You're gonna throw that up for a single spin. Single spin, and at the same time, you're gonna take this off and land that shaker inside this one. Bosh, all right? From there, you literally do an exchange over to this hand, and you pass the bottle to the other hand, and as you pass, you come directly over into a pour. So, tennis grab, release the shakers, tennis grab here, underneath, over, around, exchange this shaker into beer grab. It was in tennis, move it to beer, drop it in, drop it on, take it off, single spin, switch, over and pour. Yes. Under, over, around, drop, drop, up, nest, over, under, over, around, drop, drop, up, nest, over, into the pool. Yes. Super nice move to learn. A bartender called Tim Flippy Morris does some stuff kind of similar to this. It's very easy. There's not much throwing except for the two shakers right there, which I'm sure you can get it. You can get it. I believe in you. Anyway, that's been this week's 3 Minute Thursday. I call that the flippity flip to pour. Let me know what you think and what else you'd like to see on 3 Minute Thursday. And until next week.